Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Megha Chaturvedi and today we will talk about the best vitamins and minerals that can help manage vitiligo. If you or someone you know is dealing with vitiligo, stay with me till the end. This video can be life-changing for you and your loved ones. Firstly, I'll briefly explain what vitiligo is. Vitiligo is an autoimmune skin condition where melanocytes, the cells responsible for skin color, get destroyed. As a result, white patches start appearing on the skin. But did you know that certain vitamins and minerals can help improve pigmentation and slow down the spread? So let us discuss them individually to understand how and why you should incorporate them into your daily routine. Now let us discuss some essential vitamins for vitiligo that can help manage the condition and stop the progression of white patches. So first and foremost vitamin is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve health and reducing oxidative stress, which is often linked to vitiligo. Remember, vitamin B12 deficiency can worsen vitiligo and spread overall in your body if you have a deficiency of this specific vitamin. And the great news is that you can fulfill vitamin B12 deficiencies in your body by adding sources like plant-based milk such as soy, almond, oat can be consumed for breakfast as well as cereals and tofu. Number 2 is vitamin D. Often called the sunshine vitamin. D helps boost immunity and regulate skin cell growth. Many vitiligo patches have low vitamin D levels, which you can fulfill with many sources of vitamin D such as early morning sunlight, mushrooms if not allergic to them, fortified milk like soy, almond and oats, and supplements if necessary. So add these to your daily routine to help manage vitiligo effectively. Number 3 is folic acid, also called vitamin B9. Folic acid plays a crucial role in vitiligo management by supporting DNA synthesis, cell repair and melanin production. Vitiligo patients often have lower folic acid levels, which may contribute to oxidative stress and impaired pigmentation. Supplementing with folic acid, especially with vitamin B12, can help slow depigmentation and promote repigmentation by supporting melanocytes' function. Additionally, folic acid reduces homocysteine level, which when elevated may contribute to oxidative damage in skin cells. So you can include folic acid rich foods like leafy green and legumes in the diet, which may aid vitiligo treatment. Now coming to the next part of the video and talking about some essential minerals to manage vitiligo effectively. Number 1 is zinc. Zinc plays a crucial role in managing vitiligo by supporting immune functions, reducing oxidative stress and promoting melanocyte activity. As an essential trace element, zinc helps neutralizes free radicals that contribute to melanocyte destruction. It also aids in DNA synthesis and skin repair, possibly supporting repigmentation, and zinc deficiency is common in vitiligo patients, making supplementation beneficial. You can add natural sources like nuts, seeds, legumes and whole grains to your diet to help maintain optimal zinc level, potentially slowing vitiligo progression and supporting overall skin health. Number 2 is copper. Copper plays a crucial role in vitiligo management as it is essential for melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin color. It aids in activating the enzymes tyrosinase, which is necessary for melanin synthesis. Copper also possesses antioxidant properties that help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in vitiligo progression. Many of my vitiligo patients have been found to have lower copper level, making dietary intake important. So it is essential to consume copper-rich foods like nuts, seed, whole grains and dark leafy green, or use copper water vessel to help maintain adequate levels. Number 3 is iron. Iron is crucial in vitiligo management as it supports overall skin health and pigmentation. It aids in melanin production, the pigment responsible for skin color, by enhancing enzyme activity necessary for melanin synthesis. Iron also improves blood circulation, ensuring better oxygen and nutrient supply to skin cells, which may help in repigmentation. Additionally, iron deficiencies can contribute to oxidative stress and immune dysfunction, both of which are linked to vitiligo progression. So you can include iron-rich food like spinach, lentils and nuts, which can support skin health and improve the effectiveness of vitiligo treatments. Now I am sharing some additional tips to manage vitiligo from the inside of your body, because when your body heals from the inside, your treatment works well and it takes less time to have healthy skin. So you can incorporate these things into your daily lifestyle to manage your vitiligo effectively. First one is to eat a balanced diet with natural whole food. Second one is to manage stress with yoga and meditation. Third one is to protect your skin by applying natural sunscreen. And lastly, opt for Ayurvedic treatment for long-term skin health. Remember, vitiligo is not just about the skin, it reflects internal health. You can improve skin health and prevent further depigmentation with the right vitamins, minerals and Ayurvedic support. So that is all for today's video. If you and someone you know are suffering from vitiligo, do not hesitate to call us and ask your question in the comment box. I am here to help you to live a healthy and happy life. See you in the next video. Till then, stay healthy and keep smiling.